What have you got, Jaxie? You got a present. Open him like this. Ready? Like this. Levi, look what you've got. Here, help Mummy. Help Mummy. Open him. Jackson. Levi, what have you got? That's a nice book. Oh, look, Jackson. Look. What have you got? First words. This one's from Auntie Maddie. Say thank you. Look, Levi loves his. He's reading his book. Do you like yours too? Do you? You got a book. Good boy. Is that your first Christmas presents? Yeah, you want Levi's. Oi, mister, you can swap. Levi's like, I don't care, I like them all.